Rice cooker series! Today we're making Takikomi gohan, Japanese seasoned rice. A bowl that'll make you eat rice non-stop. Perfect for rice balls too. First I thinly sliced a burdock root and carrot. The burdock gets a quick soak in water for about 10 minutes, then I drain it. While that's resting, I rinse the rice. Next, I heat a little sesame oil in a pan and add the pork. Once it's about halfway cooked, in go the burdock root and carrot. Everything gets a quick stir fry together. Then comes the flavor. Soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, dashi powder, plus a little grated ginger and garlic. Mix it all until it smells irresistible. That whole mixture goes straight into the rice cooker with the rice. Add water up to the line, gently flatten everything, and let the rice cooker do its thing. When it's done, fluff it up. Serve and sprinkle chopped scallions on top. Enjoy a warm, comforting bowl of Japanese cooking.
いただきます。
美味しい。
育ちのいい人はめちゃくちゃ。
いただきます。
Rice cooker series! This is one of those recipes that's too easy and a little too dangerous, because you will end up eating more rice than you planned. First, trim off the base of the mushrooms and separate them into small clusters. Rinse the rice and drain well. Pour in water up to the 2-cup line. Add ginger, dashi powder, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Lightly mix and smooth the surface. Spread the mushrooms evenly over the rice and place the salmon fillets on top. Cook using the regular rice setting and let the rice cooker do its thing. While it's cooking, remove the edamame from the pots. When it's done, flake the salmon and gently mix from the bottom. Add the edamame and mix everything together. It smells savory, slightly sweet, and so comforting.
いただきます。
My husband literally said, before I knew it, I had already eaten 2 bowls. So be careful. This one disappears really fast. 美味しい. Just put everything in the rice cooker and make the coziest butter soy sauce salmon rice. Super easy and fast, but so tasty.
いただきます。
One of my husband's favorites. First, wash your 2 cups of rice. Next, remove the base of the shimeji mushrooms and separate them. Add the washed rice to the rice cooker, then pour in the soy sauce, sake, mirin, and dashi. Fill with water up to the 2-cup line. Add the bamboo shoots, mushrooms, and salmon on top. No need to stir. Just cook as usual. Once it's done, flake the salmon. Add butter, then gently mix everything together. Top with some scallions, and it's done. Super easy, super cozy, and really good.
いただきます。
My husband loves this rice cooker series. If you want the full recipe, check out the last part of the video. 美味しい.